Alright guys, I'm going to unbox this mobile freezer that I bought from SetPower. It's their AJ40G. Now I bought this on Black Friday, which was April the 24th of 2023, and received it on Wednesday, November 29 of 23. And I have to say, I like their customer service. I ordered it again on Black Friday. Gave them a phone call on Monday because I had a question. They answered the phone, and unlike another freezer company that I got that I did a review of earlier this year, who still has never gotten back to me, this place actually has customer service, which is excellent because that makes the item even more valuable. Because if you don't have good customer service, you don't have a product. As you can see, they've got it covered really good. It's got this plastic that they've encased the box in. Then they have those straps that go around it. Now the straps are actually underneath the plastic that they've encased it in. So as you can see, they had this thing really packaged well. The outside shipping box and a heavier inside container. So let's get this thing out. Okay, so really impressed here with the packaging. They got a piece of cardboard like this surrounding both sides on the length of the unit. Alright, so I got the unit out, and now look at this. They had this other heavy piece like a U that goes down the side, down the bottom, and back up. And then they even had this unit sitting on this heavy, like dense foam material. I am very impressed. The way this thing is shipped was just excellent. You'd almost have to run this over with a tank to damage it. Excellent job. So here we are, boys and girls. It's outside the box. And we'll open it up and see what's inside of it. Okay, now I'll do a separate video on the unit itself, but we'll open this up, take a look. Here's your control panel, and here's your lid. And the lid actually opens up the long way. It's hinged here. And then inside you'll find your accessories. And here's the inner wire basket and a box that would have to be the accessories, the power cord, and then down in here they also have included a couple silica gel packets. And here's that accessory box. It's got the hardware for the handles that go on the side. And then we've got our power unit here. That is either AC or DC, 12 volt or 110. Looks like a real nice handle unit too, which, and by God, look at that. That's actually metal. And then with your plastic or whatever material they use for the sides. And they give you the hardware, the bolts. They look like stainless steel plus the Allen wrench. Or that might be a Torx. Actually, those are Torx. Oh, wait a minute. No, Allen heads. And then this must be directions or something. I'm going to assume some information for reading.